Hey guys, we're going to take a look at the bed lift assembly. So to put the bed up in the up position to load your toys, what you're going to have to do is flip both sides of your sofa around to where they're both in the flat position. And then what we're going to do is we're going to walk back here to the up down switch for the bed lift assembly. It's going to be the switch all the way on the end. And all you're going to do is you hold it in the up position as you watch the bed raise up. Alright, so once you get your beds up about this high, you want to go through and make sure that all your backs are locked into place. That way they can't come up and accidentally unfold. And then we have to fold them down into the down position. So you're going to go through and pull the lower pin on every arm bracket. There are 2 in the front and 2 in the back. And then what we're going to do is you have to lift up on the bed a little bit. It usually helps to start with one of the beds in the unlocked position to where you can maneuver it a little bit. But we're going to pick it up and kind of pull it out a little bit so that it folds down. Once it's in the down position, just put your pins back in here to hold it in place. And then you're going to do the same for both sides. And then you're ready to start loading your toys in here. Alright, so now we're going to go over putting the top bunk down into the sleeping position. So once your beds, your lower beds are in this position, we're going to walk over here to the switch and raise them up. And when you raise them up, you're watching until you see that top bunk lift up a little bit. And then you have to go through and on each of your vertical supports, you have to pull the pin out of the top. And this is the pin you're looking for here. And we're going to go through and pull that out of all the verticals. And then, once you have them all pulled, we're going to go back over to the switch and lower both your bunks down at once. As your bunks are coming down, the top bunk will stop on its own, and the bottom bunk will continue. And your lower bunk will continue to go down until it reaches the height it needs to be at. One more note that I want to make, you can use the bottom bunk as a sofa still with the top bunk down. When you turn it into a sofa, again you have to make sure that these are flipped back in the backrest position. And if you look underneath the sofa a little bit, there is a single leg that you have to flip down for support.